In today's video, I'll show you how to earn up to $6 per video you watch, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on the red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. So, playing the video is the first step. Watch it for at least 60 seconds as the next step. Cashing out your earnings is then the third step. That's all there is to it. I'm going to demonstrate to you today the most successful website for earning money online by viewing videos. It is possible to view and use this website from anywhere in the world. With that, let's get back to the video now. So first, I would like you to go to this website. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you the URL in a bit. I want you to first see how it works, so if you got into the website, then for sure you will easily do the method. This website is completely free, secure, and legitimate. As you can see, you can earn money by simply completing surveys, watching videos, TV shows, and doing offers. However, for the purpose of this video, we will concentrate on watching videos because it's something you already do every day and it pays you the most amount of money for the least amount of effort. So, go ahead and click on the watching TV option. Now, allow me to explain to you how this website works. Step 1. Create a free account on this site. Step 2. Select a channel that interests you. After that, start watching TV shows and videos. After watching those videos, points will be credited to your account. You may also keep an eye out for more earnings by switching between different channels. And finally, exchange your points for cash or gift cards. It's just that easy. So, make sure that you watch this video all the way through to properly understand how this website works. As previously mentioned, the first step is to create a free account on this website. To do so, go to the home page and enter your email address and create a password, and just click sign up now. You might also use your Facebook or Google account to sign up for an easier experience. Now, once you log in to your account, you can check how much money you can make on this website. You can see that people have made anything from $200 to $500, and you could be the next. These individuals are all earning money on this very website by watching videos, completing surveys, or doing offers. The best part is there are a large number of videos available here, and all of those videos reset every day, which means that there's an endless opportunity for you to earn money here by just watching videos. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below. And if you do, that would be awesome. Without further ado, let's get back to work and earn some cash. Now, to get started, click watch on the left-hand side. After that, you'll see these boxes with the words Hideout TV and Lootably on them. And if you hover your cursor over them, you'll see their offer details. Next, select Lootably by clicking this Start button. You'll then be taken to this page where you can select the video category. You have the option of selecting from the categories of food, DIY, or random videos. On the right-hand side, you can see how many points you can earn on the respective categories. If I select food, for example, I will be taken to this website. You'll need to sign up for a free account to proceed, as you can see right here. To do so, enter your email address, create a password, and just click sign up. After creating a Lootably account, you'll be brought to this page where you can watch all of the videos in the food category. This website allows you to watch as many videos as you want. Now, if I click on this one right here, for example, I will be taken to another page where I'll have to watch the video for at least 60 seconds in order to earn money. By the way, comment down below, I am from this country. In that way, I will know exactly where you're from, so in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So, drop your country's name in the comments down below. To give you a bonus tip on how to maximize your income, you can watch as many videos as you like on different tabs at the same time. That way, you'll be able to watch a lot of videos while doing other things, and you'll be able to earn the most amount of money in the least amount of time and effort. You can watch more videos by clicking all of these videos on the right-hand side. Another bonus tip I have is to lower the video quality by clicking the video settings. To save data, I'd like you to set it to the lowest video quality possible. With that, you'll be able to watch as many 60-second videos as possible while earning as much money as possible as well. These bonus tips are quite effective, and you can use them right away to double, triple, or even quadruple your earnings in a single day on this website. Stop here for a moment. I want you to take a deep breath and feel the money flowing your way, because things will become better sooner. Before I reveal to you the last tips and tricks, we would like you to smash that like button as well as hit that red subscribe button, and so we will make these dreams come true. Oh, you completed that already? Thank you. And so let's begin the last step in making money online. Now that you know how to make money on Zoombucks.com by just watching videos, and yes, you heard it right, Zoombucks.com is our website for today. I'd like to show you another way to make money with this site, and that is by filling out surveys. On the left-hand side of your Zoombucks dashboard, you should see surveys which you can click. By doing so, you will be presented with a list of companies that offers you simple surveys to complete. Each survey will pay you 85 cents, 60 cents, $10, $3, $5, or much more as shown here. Simply click on the company that offers you the most amount of money. After then, follow the same steps as before. Simply create a free account with the company of your choice and begin taking as many surveys as you like. Now, if you want to make even more money, then you need to watch this video right here for you to discover the laziest way to make money online for beginners, which is available worldwide. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you will start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video, and if you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video, which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.